is the Holy Spirit that I'm yearning for. It's the Holy Spirit, it's God that I want. And I put to death that addiction by following God, by obeying God, by submitting to God through sanctification. And then I experience life, true freedom, true liberty. In 2 Corinthians 3:18 it says, "But we all, with unveiled face, beholding as in a mirror the glory of the Lord, are being transformed into the same image from glory to glory, just as from the Lord, the Spirit." In a little bit, we're going to break down what that verse means, and it's very, very powerful. But I want to give you this idea of sanctification or transformation, what God is doing in your life, kind of like a house renovation, right? So when you're renovating a house, you first want to renovate that house. You first have to decide, we're going to renovate this house.